Hello, my people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Viola, and today we're going to make meatballs. So stick here till the end. Watch, like, share, and subscribe because we're going to have a good time over here. We're going to cook and eat a nice meal that I know you will all love. Look at that. Look at that. Who wouldn't want to eat nice food? Just look at that. Have you subscribed? Let's wash our hands and start the cooking. And today we're going to make breadcrumbs, and the procedure of making breadcrumbs will be in this video as well. So let's keep washing and washing our hands. Meanwhile, let me sip my juice. So there goes Jaden. He's washing his hands because he's going to help me in the kitchen. And I believe Zami will also come in handy. So let her also wash the hands because I know the kind of work she will help us in will be too much. Yeah, so it's hand washing and then we get into work. We cook. So I'm making the carrots because I'm going to chop them and have them in the rice.
All my time I'm waiting you to answer the phone. Nothing seems to happen, but the last stage is gone. I hope somewhere your voice promises less and does more, but still my pillow's on the floor. Anyone could say that we are never assured, for things we're dreaming of are always out of the store. Pages, a lot of pages to forget, I'm so bored to say. Call me if you need a hand. Did you ever think I'm a friend? Everything will come to an end. It's so complicated to let go. I've come to know the hardest words to understand. Alas, so easy to pretend, but everything will last for a minute. Try to find things in a new set, but late at night I look for those I will never get. Symptoms of my sickness always fade and come back. I wonder how we could have met. Everyone is telling me it's late to complain, 'cause now the games are over, I'm just wrecking with pain. Cages, a lot of cages to subside, it's so vain to say. The hardest was to understand. Alas, so easy to pretend, but everything will last for a night. The rage has come. I felt so young and never called the name you wore. From ash to glow, I fall in love. Distance, we've got distance to play. Anytime it blows your mind, distances can put on a flame. Loving God that's far, we better keep apart and find some way. The hardest words to understand, alas, so easy to pretend, but everything will last for an end. The rage has come. I felt so young and never called the name you wore. From ash to glow, I fall in love. I fall in love. I fall in love. I fall in love. I fall in love.
So as Zami is eating, Jay is doing his gloves disposable gloves so that we can do the preparations. You know, there is so much of the touching of the food, so we have to be clean enough. Yeah, so we are going to add a little bit of salt. We are adding it into the meat. Our it is minced meat, by the way. We have put it in our bowl. It's beef minced meat, to be precise. Yes, so put a little bit of salt. You can see there. We are adding our egg inside. One egg, curry powder, a bit of it. Basically, it's a teaspoon full, yes. And then also the salt was a teaspoonful. So we mix those inside. We mix it very well until everything gets in so well. That is tangawizi. That is our coriander. And Macu, I forgot to tell you that I had crushed garlic and ginger and also added it in there in the meat. Yes, so that is what I started with before the salt. So now it's making it into balls. As you can see, the balls are ready. And you know, the egg and the breadcrumbs, their work is to make everything compact so that it doesn't, do I say scatter? Yes, it doesn't scatter. It doesn't it just stays compact as you cook it, and also when you finish cooking it, it will still be compact. So we put it in our pot. Our pan had a little oil, and then we had it become hot enough. And then after making it hot enough, we put it we put our minced meat, which we had made into balls. That is what we call the meatballs. We put it to cook inside, and now it's done. So you can see it's done and ready. It's cooked inside so well. And on the same note, okay, when I'm cooking, I don't like tasting, but I had someone to help me do that. How is it?